Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute someone on X, the platform we all know for sharing posts, updates, and conversations. Whether you're trying to take a break from someone's content or simply want a cleaner feed, muting is an easy and silent way to do it. The best part? The person you mute will never know. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account, and you'll land right on your home or For You feed. Next, find the user you want to mute. You can do this by tapping the search icon and entering their username. Or if you already see one of their posts in your feed, just tap on their profile picture or name to open their profile. Once you're on their profile page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Tap on those dots to open a quick menu with several options related to that account. From the list that appears, choose the option labeled Mute. This feature is designed to help you manage what shows up in your feed without blocking or unfollowing the person. After you tap Mute, a confirmation message will pop up asking, "Are you sure?" Tap. "Yes, I'm sure" to confirm, and that's it. You've successfully muted that person on X. Their posts, replies, and reposts will no longer appear in your timeline, but you'll still stay connected if you decide to check their profile manually. You can always unmute them later by following the same steps and selecting Unmute. Muting is one of the easiest ways to create a calmer, more focused X experience. It helps keep your feed personalized and free from content that distracts or overwhelms you without anyone knowing you made the change. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials like this one to keep your X account customized and stress-free.